Last, Secretary General for Commonwealth, he go land for that side for Boya, he go be na tomorrow, according to Wetuwe Mami Patricia Janet Scotland, he write am for a Twitter, he say after we ask authorized for president for Cameroon, last, tomorrow, he go surely be for that side, so for Boya. Tori wey dey enter for we ear too, he dey talk say Mama Scotland, since for morning time for ya when they side them, he don't dey meet up now with the opposition party people them, need John Frundi, he don't meet up and other people that way they take meet up for that side before he go come up for them, he go for another chapter for a waka tomorrow for Boya side, according to Tori wey enter for we ear. So for Tori for this afternoon, we go talk palava how we people that they prepare for Christmas. But the Tori wey dey for them I say waiting. Tomato market or tomato money, it don't go down plenty. Now for Sika rating, according to business people them, they say now for Sika say they don't lock border them with tomato. You need to go Nigeria side again. So for Sika that one, tomato money, it don't get plenty. This afternoon or it don't cheap. This afternoon, we go enter for inside market for Sandagam, for Douala here, for talk as well people that the only fight for buy a tomato we just land for that side, so for Bafusam. Tori for this afternoon too, we go talk palava insecurity, for talk say police, for people them for judicial police for Douala here for Bonanjom. Then say they don't put hand for some wanted boy, we don't worry people them for that side, so from Banga Bakoko. All this story them so plus one day where we come be them for newspaper they take talk. We go talk on this afternoon, so for this side for Equinox Tori House. Big part talk, he say waiting. He say any person where he want for dig ground beef he hold, make he prepare to for run. Any person where he want for go dig ground beef he hold, make he prepare for run. Big thank you on Etuge Divine for Isokolo for Limbem for big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Very big good afternoon. We glad plenty for meet up una for this side. So for Equinox Tori House, PG News, chapter 2 for this side. We go begin now with a palava for thief. We take una land for that side for judicial police station where they put hand for this boy, Njunji Ngefak Herman Michael, 29 years old Pekin, where they so police people then for that side they be put hand for a system. They say this boy, he don't cause confusion for inside quarter for Banga Bakoko, for inside Douala here. First thing he do, he be attack some prisoner man, waterman, he take the waterman card for work, then he cut that waterman hand. After, on top that one, he go attack some girl when a picking for some Kamamburu man. Lucky say the Kamamburu man to be there for house. He hear as well the boy, he be the talk for that again. Before he come out, he hold the boy. Population be one knock this boy, bed last. Now police people they can't catch this boy. After the population be don't fair knock it small, they go level for hospital. After we now they give him for people then for that side, so for judicial police. That boy, he be the use now this gun, one at the sea and so with all the bullet and so now the thing that way the boy, he be the use for worry place. So now the thing then that way be the use and worry place. Plus even the cat for that waterman where he thief him. So this boy in new house na New Bell Ngata. We left chapter for thief, we enter for another chapter, palava for fire. We take una go for that side, so for loom na quarter where they slaughter beef. Way for French, they go talk say quarter for abattoir. Now for them way some Calabo house so fire, it take finish am so na they take see am so to na eye. That house na some Hausa man, if he get the house. Hausa man, if he do binet na for cola. So people that they ask question, how this fire take they say fire is start for cash na for bikini room. Inside bikini room, he enter for the whole house, burn am. Now cola that way, they come out and for inside the house with all thing. It don't last spoil. For Sika say fire, if you don't pass on top the cola or all it can be themselves for outside side they be come out for see as we take pass. But Sabi say if population for inside quarter for abattoir for loom side, they know for come out plenty. This fire if for enter for different side. They say now for Sika way where they put current for inside the house. Now way he make this fire so it take cash. No man he no die, but that man sorted today as well the talk now so he no get place for sleep. A house, it don't go down. Binet for cola too, it don't spoil. But now for talk, congratulate for population, for inside, quarter for abattoir, for loom side. where they so as well they just see the fire, they enter with the bucket, sand, all kinds of things for see as well they feel lost the fire. No man no die, that man business he finish, all house he burn, and now the small clothes than that where they be fit for come out and for outside. Make we hear waiting way people them for quarter for abattoir for loom, they talk for sika palaba that fire.
Fire don't come out. People all want the crack up. The population don't come and lost. After they know lost some, no, don't take out now. People don't tell for loss. You don't finish. Don't finish. That's what don't call for that. I don't take out also. Don't tell loss.
Fire don't tell her from Sokati abattoir. But voisin, all man go there for trouble. That fire don't begin for there's a genuine. Don't you also have fire don't come out. For this fire also, Kurang the bull all. Arrêtez le compteur. Vous devez arrêter le compteur. Quartier abattoir Rambon. Quand on va help, people not come out. Like quartier abattoir Rambon.
That's why fire don't come out. People all want the crack up. Population don't come out.
For that side, so for quarter for abattoir for loom sides, we left that chapter come for inside Wala here. We take una go for quarter where they call them say or place where they call them say Banga Bakoko. This land so on at the Siam. It is so the population we don't be has or other oversights, they complain, they vex plenty for sake of say other people them where they get money, they don't can dig for their before house. Now so water will not be the ever stand up for their before house, water the stand up for them, it they make at themselves they know the here fine. So now for sika why that way population for that side, so for Banga Bakoko as soon as take Sabi, it then for inside Wala ye then say they come out them plenty, they cry and they beg Gomna delegate for can help them. Now what that way it don't stand up for their before house for say cause na people there they get money, they don't make water so take water now it don't come out water now so it can so can stand up for that before. Thing way it no be they ever happen. All talk where they don't talk for beg that people them where they say they get money, say may they take stop this water where it the waka in it they show no nothing. The water where they don't make and so it don't throw it don't box or the water where they don't make water it pass now for before people their house it don't even make some another person his own house except it don't take broke for that side so for Banga Bakoko so they beg say men Gomna delegates where he get the whole Douala for a hand make it try for enter for inside this palaba mayor for that side too they beg he DOA the local that side for Banga Bakoko all the people they pull hand for say make they beg you say make you come see as well if you take help them for Sika say they don't already start get suffer they don't start get the first danger for this guata them where it they so they don't can open and one man in own house that as soon as the tiam for Sika the guata so they dig away water the pass one man in own poor house where it don't make until the house it don't chakara the man it no get place to stay in a small house that where be the make am where it they so they don't chakara the house for Sika guata where they dig am water it the only pass water it the pass come up for that side so people then for Banga Bakongo Bakoko they beg make the rich people them they try for sorry them where they no get money for that side. We be talk with some power for day make we hear wait we power get for talk for we.
For how we stay here, if you go today like 10 years, we don't have no problem for you. Now these people on the side they don't come now, they drop water, then for we, for one side. So for this money for even 3 o'clock, so I have secret for upside. I said I wait to don't happy. Need to come on and when for some more child don't fall for this water. Now I didn't for hospital. So now we don't come out for say we get small sleep for we are now sad enough. So they don't leave this way water didn't pass. They don't run again come now for we side. Let's say for we we become Runia or we not become Runa. We don't know. I don't know what opportunity they want to we must do. Now for say we end man to back for we country now because my country now Cameroon. I don't need in Sharia no Chad anywhere. Now no side Cameroon. So make them face the stand for small place they check they come fiam shoe we pop up this way it is so on our own side they na this side we on be na so let me say we no man never pass for the on side talk say how we stop so we will come over now but it stay with so when we come so we go upstairs for please the phone for inside water that one you don't over too much so you fancy me then come soon 10 weeks when they come Because from morning, where the no say we there, no man never pass from them. And then I find them keep the engine. Today, the no engine, no they get. They no say they don't do bad. That's what.
Yes, so now part that for that side, so for Banga Bakoko, it cry plenty for Sika that work with people there where they get money, they don't can dig, what are the worry them just now for that side. We enter for different chapter, we go turn back for this image, will be shown yesterday for school, for that side, so we they call them say Bafia for Central Region, now government primary school Babe, it then for inside Bafia, now school that way picking them, they did learn for inside, so can the people them, the school, it no even get a fence, it no even get a zinc, it no get a ceiling, even chairs for picking them for learn for inside, it no day, as all the taxi and with our own eye. It means say when rainy fall, it fall on top the picking them, sun is shine plenty, it shine on top the picking them. Now they the bag, semen gum na it takes see way to way if you do them for inside the school, for primary school, government primary school way they for that side, so for Babe, now for Bafia side, they village inside Bafia for Central Region. So even as well this condition they so they picking the also ton for land for inside, even chair for children, you know they manage one way do them. But now for talk say 21st century for Cameroon, this kind of school them we no forget for the see them. Even a Calabot self, man for understand. But for see say picking the also learn for this kind of condition. We learn in a thing we all man get for Sabi, man get for poet for book. They want na popo elele for inside a country. Now only for us a country, it must to go for before for 2035. As we popo, it don't take talk. Chapter for school, we remain for inside there. We come out from primary, we go for higher education. Now I'm in a big book, University for Boya Sesep. It don't talk bye-bye for picking the way they enter for inside that school, University for 2014. This one, now for graduates, a ceremony will take place for that side. Sabi say they come out over 5,000 picking them, but the challenge with the 5,000 picking them again now, trouble where they go meet up and for outside, now Palava say walk, you know they for outside, so they must to suffer before they get the work. Now, pro-chancellor says for that side, if you take look at this Ngando way, they take pass. Sabi say Ngando, if you then a time way, the southwest, northwest side, place, it just did some kind. We left chapter for school, we enter for inside chapter for security. Big man for defense, Joseph Betty Asomo, he be there for Douala year 2 yesterday. He walked and for can see the house where he go the look at all material them, all worked in them for Kamamburu people them for inside African Union. So now for Sika why that way come for Douala year na the house that where all the team them worked in the way African Union Kamamburu people them, they go use them, he go enter for inside. So as way they be tell them say na them, they go get the house one time, they be get for start for see as way they fix the house. Now for Sika why that way Oga Minister for Defense self, Joseph Betty Asomo, he become for council as we work for inside the house. It happen. Sabi say the official opening, the time they open the house. Now for January month they get for can open the house. So it just come for council as we they work for that house. It go happen. Now so take talk. This house now it go the look out all worked in them. Now shake a suit. Now boom. Or now which kind of thing we want for him. Now for inside the house then so we they go put a minister before he want finish. He be talk with all big people them before he come out for this side so for Douala. We go left chapter for security. We enter now so for chapter for Waka for Secretary General for Commonwealth for inside country. Right Honorable Janet, Patricia Janet Scotland, now be the big Secretary General for Commonwealth. Sabi say enter for country since for Monday. But we just try for talk when I say since this morning time, he don't meet up with opposition party people the way all them the day for inside a National Assembly and one then two the day for inside Senate. So today morning time, he be meet up with people that like Nijon Frundi, he meet up with Bello Buba, he meet up with plenty other people them. After he finish meet up with all the people them, he go now for office for Peter Mafane Musongewe be Oga Patapata for commission for bilingualism and multiculturalism. So now so he welcome for Right Honorable Patricia Janet Scotland. He go be today. According to Tori, we don't talk for now, we don't broker for a chapter what will be started. They say Mami he go last go for Boya tomorrow. According to Tori, enter for EM and wait right and for a Twitter. He say go be for Boya tomorrow. After we president for country, he tell say make he go for the go the boya. As we sabi, it be get for before a program since before people it be job bit on ton. So it means say he no go surely come out country tomorrow. As we they be plan say he go come out country. So boya people they get for wait for meet up with Mama Janet Patricia Scotland when Commonwealth Secretary General wey the worker for inside country. We go enter now so for chapter for Christmas. Governors meeting, country people them for governors meeting as well take talk. Palava for that one, it go pass finish today. Yes, the governor meeting, it go finish today for Yahweh decide them. Sabi say this meeting it be start since on Monday, and inside the meeting they talk na chapter for waiting, chapter for security, and Oga Minister wey the look out all governor people them, Rene Emmanuel Sadi, he don't already talk official say no man he no get for make Kamamburu people then they fear. Any man wey come for come make them fear, make them say they make that person a fear fine. So nothing for Hoha. No na say you should don't they can knock you then you know back they knock him back. So na just so a minister Rene Emmanuel Sadi he talk for that people then. So when the people then that meeting it go finish today, and now when the meeting go finish before we go Sabi the last talk with Rene Emmanuel Sabi, Minister for Territorial Administration, and Oga Patapata for Governor, he go talk for the governor them for Yahweh decide. Now so make we try for talk this chapter for Christmas. Susa side they prepare to for Christmas, but Binet markets in the show we enter for Susa side they will enter for all the store them for see whether for 2 for 2 Binet as well Christmas day for corner in the worker. But all the people they will meet up and one day they make hair, one day they sell shoe, one day they sell play for picking them for inside market. All man in the talk now say Binet for that side a trunk plenty. They say they know sabi why the Binet is trunk. One way it they so the fish don't sell small. They be they know they sell no nothing. So as well Christmas they come, people them for that side too for Susa, they hear bad, just like people them for inside Wala here. But sabi say all kind play in them, the day for picking them for use and play for inside this Christmas. Make we hear so one person for Susa day, it tell you as we Binet the pass.
Now all the time, man cannot pass as you can see, very dry. But we dare manage to our own push and small and people they are back on plenty money, no day here. I will read the last time for seeing how we go there. But I go pass all was still there and so on.
Last story for this afternoon for chapter, Napsuso chapter for Christmas. We don't enter for market. We will go for market for Sandangaye for Douala here. Palava tomato, yes. Now Palava tomato we concentrate on top for talk this chapter. According to where to go meet up and for Sandaga market this early morning time, they try for tell we say money for buy tomato, it don't dear. One way they be selling 12,000. Now so if you get even 1,000, you feel buy them. So tomato market it don't dear. Bina people them they try for tell we for that side say for Sika say board that they never so they open so kind of way. Now for Sika why that way all tomato just now it enter now for inside Douala here. And na tomato way all man way the one enter market, it the one struggle for go buy. And so tomato it dey for market now so suck. They say tomato it don't cheap well for market side here, for Douala here, for Sika say border then say they lock. Normal the people there they chop tomato plenty where they make business for tomato. It go for before for country na Nigeria people them but just now as way it dey so market for tomato it don't bad, so all small tomato them you want get plenty tomato for small money inside Douala here market for tomato it don't cheap well according to investigator go make them for inside market this afternoon. Sabi say for Sika tomato we don't dear na so to correct malatu it dey for outside the cheapest malatu if you chop for inside Douala here na rice and tomato soup. Yes, rice and tomato soup. So we say so enter we meet up that mommy for ask here so this thing it take pass. See correct tomato soup you see no correct one, correct tomato soup and rice. So now the thing that way they pass market now, tomato it don't cheap. Make we hear one man for market they tell we talk.
Tomato fall, but people go talk for quarter, say run fall because it's a problem for southwest and northwest. Don't make a government run say all frontier. But one casual now say fan tomato did they sell one casual for 4,000. But and I saw one and the one we know the fan they sell them for 2,500, 2,000, 2,500. And I saw what is Salam 1,000. Man with a shop to my say, you know, to buy granite.
We finish chapter for Tori we will gather for now for this afternoon. Wait till we come with them for newspaper they take talk. Make we begin with Guardian Post. United States, US government, they don't talk say they don't like as well they kill and damn them for that side. So for Manfi, one of the Tori them. So for Palava for Norwest and Southwest, they ask a big question whether Fundi and Agbobala they go talk a different thing from Tinwen government. It don't they talk since this Palava for Franco Anglophone it takes start for Commonwealth Secretary General. So for inside the Guardian Post, CAF president, he don't also talk again. Say he did like say country for Cameroon, he no go prepare for 2019. Mandamba. Plus, they ask a question whether worker for Commonwealth for inside Cameroon here, it go help for stop a problem where they happen for Norwest and Southwest. Now, so the Guardian Post, it take talk waiting for the post weekend waiting the day for strong number for the post weekend they try for Terry. Saying governor and he glad plenty as we Kamambru people, they kill and catch people then for Norwest and Southwest. So for inside the post weekend they talk away people the way the LFGC board for say make examine worker fine, examine them, they go get their money now for 2018 number 20 day. Now according to Tori, then that's way the guide at the post weekend TikTok and other small to read them. We enter now so for mutation. We come out today mutation. And they try for talk na palava for waiting. Palava for we did talk palava for Norwest and Southwest. As well they say international organization CSEP. They don't put more for inside this palava for see whether peace if it last turn back for Norwest and Southwest. Now the strong number that we mutation for this morning a carry last story one will enter for inside. Now, Poku newspaper where they call them say Popoli. Popoli for this morning time, it tell we say waiting. Say inside bank them today now different thing. Bank they don't flop today for Sika say salary for 2000 for December moon, it don't come out. That picture where you see and so woman it talk say make you not take all thing so that January will not go suffer. Master say he don't work all the time for suffer. So when he go carry all thing. So now the thing that way Poku newspaper where come out for this morning time, Popoli. He try for talk for we. Will it take time for talk say Merry Christmas for all people then for outside day. Manager for that side for Azim Hotel Romain Joalem. Big happy Merry Christmas. Commissioner for Kumbasai Day. We say Merry Christmas for you. Elung Paul says we lost the papa. We want to say big Ashiam. For this side, we go jam on a sote for tomorrow. Make una continue for follow Tori for Equinox Story House. On a hold am tight.